What is going on? It's Jason with Intricate Coatings. Before I show you this blue quartz epoxy floor, I'd like to see if everyone can go and hit that subscribe button. It'll help me a lot. There's been a lot of requests for information, tips on the side, and they're not subscribed, so that would help me a lot. Some of these videos are going to help some people. It may be some tips that you haven't seen or used before or didn't think about. Just hit that subscribe, it'll help me a lot, and I'll keep making these videos. Thank you. What is going on, guys? I am here at another project. This is a 3-car with 2 different colors, so stick around and see how that's done.